Hello everyone, it's the part 2 of making a stand for hive. It's finished. I didn't have enough wood and I use every wood that I have. It's not straight, but it's okay. It's the construction. My place here is not flat. It's some kind of morass here, and it's very hard to make a line here. But it's okay. I can here put about 1, 2, 3, about 4 hive I can put here. If I need 3 or 4, must be enough. It's nice. It's also hard. It's very hard. You can stand up it. It's very solid and very hard. I make some, maybe you can check it. I have to put the earth for some soil, for some kind of project, predator for Farah. But sometimes it's nice that you can take it off the wood, because sometimes the bees go under, or you need to check it. Anyway, it was okay. And you can see it. Yes, I didn't say how high is that. At this moment is about 20 high, 20 centimeter high. If it's finished, it's nice, because another one is higher, or that one is very higher, and sometimes it's not nice to work with it, especially for varroa. Varroa is very high hive, and something like that is good. But I had problem with ants. Now, not now anymore, but I don't know. I like this kind of things, this kind of a stand, because it's nicer, organized, and if it sometimes rain too much, and also for the winter, I have problem with mouse or another kind of predator and animals, and if it's higher, it's better, I think. Thanks for watching. That was the stand, making a stand for hive. Thanks, bye.